back and this is our third episode.
So our theme for today is molten metal effects, and I get to play with the MIG welder.
Did she say Melton Mowbray? But sadly, Gavin isn't here with us today because of work commitments.
So I'll tell you what, we'll finish our drinks and head off into the workshop.
And have a biscuit.
I don't believe it. Come on, guys. You're supposed to have your helmets down when I'm arc welding. Well, I'm sure these two will recover for the next episode. But it's been fun. The pub's now open. So, come on guys, let's go. I'm buying the first round.
Tell me it's gone. Chris, forget about the pub. I've got a bottle of whiskey in my cupboard.
Forget about the pub and forget about the whiskey. I've got this. Well, I hope you enjoyed the show. We'll be back soon. I'm going to enjoy this a lot.